Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to use Nightcafe AI. So first of all, what I need you to do is go ahead and open your device and go ahead and open your browser and then search for Nightcafe AI. And here I will go ahead and go to the first website. What I'm going to do now is click on start creating, and here you should choose your creation method. So for me, I will choose this one, and then I will do already have a Night Cafe account. I create an instant temporary one or log into a new one. So create an instant temporary one, and then here we are. So basically what I'm going to do is show advanced if you want to like have advanced settings. If not, just go here and write your prompt and here choose your style. So for example, let's write dragon like gray warrior, gray-haired warrior fighting a dragon. Let me just fix this real quick. And here is the thing. And now what I'm going to do is, for example, let's make choose something. We can choose, for example, examples from here. Let me just close this real quick. And let me just accept cookies. And just like so, guys, after you finish what you want to do, choose your style, etc. And if you have anything, just click here and create one. So let's create an image. Now, as you can see, it will create us this image. So let's wait a little bit. And here we goes. Now it is on the process of creating the image. Now, as you can see, it is on 10%. So let's wait a little bit. And yeah, let's give it some time. Basically, guys, if you want like to get more pictures, more stuff, all you need to do is like sign up in the website with the real accounts, and then you can like create whatever masterpieces you want. So now we are in queued. So basically, you just have to wait until this queue ends, and you will have your image over here. So I will stop my recording real quick, and I will be right back to you right after this image completed. So back to you guys. Here you go. This is the image that I have created. Gray-haired warrior fighting a dragon. This is the simplest as it can give. So it is looking pretty nice. It needs some details a little bit, and it will be really looking good. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.